Hey guys, this is Eddie the Magic Monk. Welcome to another maths lesson. Last lesson we showed you guys what a Venn diagram looks like, and today we're going to relate it to set theory and talk about a few more concepts and symbols in set theory using Venn diagrams. So let's say that we have a set labeled B. B is a set with the elements 12 and 3. Okay, and we have another set called T, and we have the elements 8 and 3. And we also have a set called U, and the set U has the elements 12, 8, 3, and 2. So these are all of our sets that we have defined so far. Now, in order to put it in a Venn diagram, obviously this is the same Venn diagram that we drew last lesson, where we have the set B. It has a circle representing the set, and the set T, which is another circle, and we have the number 12 inside the circle for set B, and 8 inside the circle for set T, and 3 inside the section where the circles overlap. And set U represents the box, so we have 12, 8, 3, and 2 on the outside of the two circles. So that's the Venn diagram, and these are the sets inside the Venn diagram. Okay, so the first symbol or concept that I want to talk about is called the intersection. And the intersection has a symbol N. It looks like an N, but it's actually just an upside down U, like that. And so the intersection represents elements which are common in two sets, to two sets or more. So the way we use this symbol is we can say B intersection T, and that will then equal the set 3, right? Because 3 is a common element of the sets B and T. Okay, so that is where the N symbol is used. Okay, and now let's talk about another symbol, which is the union symbol. The union symbol. Now, very easy to remember, it's just an U. Notice how this U has nothing to do with this U, it's totally different. So the union symbol U represents the set that contains elements from all sets involved. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, looking at this diagram here, so this is our Venn diagram. If I said B, let me use another color just so I can distinguish. B union T. So notice how before we had B intersection T, now we have B union T is equal to the set of. Now we look at all the elements of B combined with all the elements of T. So basically we're looking at this whole section here. So we have 12, 3, and 8. Right, so that's B union T. Now, when we had B intersection T, let me use another color and highlight that. So B intersection T represents only the section in the middle. Right, so that is the intersection. Whereas B union T represents everything in the two circles. So that's union and intersection. And the last symbol that I want to talk about is the complement. So the complement and the symbol for that is just a dash, or I should say apostrophe, is the set of elements of the universal set which are not part of this set. So what does that mean? Well, let's have a look at our diagram again. And I'm just going to copy the diagram. So this is our diagram, and let's ignore all the colors for now. And if I put in the set B, if I wrote down the set B and I wrote an apostrophe, so B apostrophe equals. Now what that means is I want to get all the elements inside the Venn diagram, or inside the universal set U, that is not inside the set B. Now what does that include? That includes the number 8 and the number 2, right? Because these are not inside this set of B. So I'm going to write down 8 and 2. Now if I want to do T apostrophe, that means the complement of the set T, which means the numbers outside of T inside the rectangle, and these are 12 and 2. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from this lesson today. See you guys next time.